Hallow's outdoors and it's garden season. The kids want some pickles, so we're gonna make some homemade pickles today.
This one look good?
Yeah, they all look great. Alright, hold them up. Let's see how many we got. Looks like a good first picking of cucumbers. And we'll go inside and make some pickles. Okay, so to make the pickles, they're washed. You guys are each going to get one. I have my helpers Ellie and Michaela here. First thing we're going to do, we're going to take off the bottom and the top. And we want to do spears, right? Not chips. Spears. So we're going to go like this. I'll try and cut them down the middle. Or maybe I'll do that. You do the tops and the bottoms and I'll cut them into spears. So now look, they look like pickles already. Okay, you just take off the top and bottom and pass it to me. Cucumbers, future pickles cut up. That's how much it is. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to make the brine. So again, you're going to have 8 cups of water because I'm doubling the batch. And then add in all the ingredients. And then we're just going to give her a stir until she melts. You girls could fill the jars up with pickles.
How full do you want?
So these are old jars from our grocery store. My mother-in-law gave them to me back when they made glass. And girls, do you remember what Grammy said was in these jars?
Fruit salad.
Well, that's what she puts in them, was fruit salad. Do you know what came from them in the store?
No. Peanut butter.
Peanut butter, that's right, Michaela. No. Here. You can put that. If anybody has a guess at how old these jars are, you need to know. Okay, we got them all settled in our jars, and now we're going to add the brine. See if I spill all over the place. Put the lids on them. These are no can pickles, so we're just going to put the lids on them and put them in the fridge. Stir them up by just tilting the jars back and forth once a day or so, and they'll be ready in 72 hours. Alright, so it's been 72 hours, and we're going to try the refrigerator pickles to see if they taste like the ones we all know and love, the Claussen ones. They smell like pickles? Okay, give us your honest review. Here. How many thumbs up?
2.
2. Can you hear that crunch, camera? Let me see if I can get a big one, see if you guys can hear that crunch. Alright guys, what do you think?
Good.
Delicious?
Good. Yeah.
Okay, I put the recipe below. These are refrigerator pickles. They say crispy. The recipe says that they'll be good for a whole month. So yeah, there you have it. Easy peasy, delicious, fresh summer treat. Try it out.